So continuing on with the writing a system of linear equations, we have two situations where we need to write an equation for both. So our first one, we have 15 plates in a kitchen cabinet. The diameter of each plate is either 7 inches or 12 inches. And the diameter of all 15 plates combined is 140 inches. Okay, and then the second one says, which system of equations can be used to find the number of 7-inch plates, x, so either 7 inches, and then it says, and the number of 12-inch plates, 12-inch plates, that's y, there are in the cabinet. Okay. So we know plates we have, and there's a total combined is 140 inches, and there's 15 plates. So if I talk about all the plates together, so we know that this is x and this is y. So if I say x plus y, there we have x of the 7-inch plates and y of the 12-inch plates, and total of those plates we have a total of 15 plates. Okay. Now looking at my answer choices, that eliminates B and A. Okay, so now let's look at our second question. Our second equation, now we need to talk about the number of diameter combined. When you're writing a system like this, you want one of them to work out the count and one of them to work out whatever the value is that we're looking at. And in this case, the value that we're looking at is diameter. So this total here is going to be 140. And we said 7 inches, so that's going to be 7x, plus the 12-inch, so that's going to be 12y, which is our answer choice C. All right, and that's how you set up a system of equations just like that. Next question is done the same way. So a drummer and a guitarist each wrote songs for their band. The guitarist wrote 8 fewer songs than twice the number of songs that the drummer wrote. Okay. And they wrote a total of 46 songs. So we can write the guitarist plus the drummer, so G plus D, and the total together they wrote 46 songs. Okay. Let's see. The only one that matches that is going to be F and J, so we can eliminate G and H. Both of those, J and G, have that second. This equation matches what we wrote. The order of the D and G doesn't matter. That's okay. Now let's look at the second one. The guitarist, so it says the guitarist, so that means G wrote, so that's going to be G equals 8 fewer. Now remember, that's a turnaround phrase. When we say 8 fewer, that's going to be minus 8. Then twice the number of songs that the drummer wrote, so that's going to be 2 times D. So 2D minus 8. You could also say minus 8 plus 2D. You could say minus 8 plus 2D is equal to G. That's another way to write it. And we wrote our system of equation. Let's see which one of these matches it. The 8, we have D is equal to, well, that would be the drummer's, is equal to 8 minus twice the guitarist songs. And that's not what we said. They're saying twice the number of the songs that the drummer wrote, which that matches this here. We wrote exactly this on F. So F is our answer choice. Okay. Let's see, we're given the graph. Which equation best represents the graph? So again, we're just going to go ahead and write our equation. Now in this case, these are in standard form. So I have a y-intercept here is 4. So our b is equal to 4, and it's a negative slope. I'm going to pick 2 perfect points. Let's see. Oh, this is a big one. Perfect point there. Okay. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. So my slope is going to be negative 3. And then I have a run of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 sevenths. So my equation is going to be y is equal to negative 3 sevenths x plus 4. Okay, all of these are in standard, so that means I need to put this slope-intercept form into standard, so that means that I need to get rid of my fraction. So I'm going to multiply everything by 7. So this becomes 7y is equal to negative 3x plus 20. 7 times 4 is going to give me 28. Okay, now I'm going to move the 3x over, so that becomes 3x plus 7y is equal to 28. So let's see if any of those matches. None of those matches, so I must have my slope wrong. I might have my slope wrong here. Let's see. That may not be the perfect point. I definitely know that that is a perfect point, so let's try this again. I know, let's see, make sure, yep, that's my y-intercept. Is B is still 4. So that's going to be down 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4, and then it's 9. That reduces to, it doesn't reduce. Y is equal to, so that makes it a little bit different. Not much. Let's see what happens. We're going to multiply this by 9. It's still coming out with the y is equal to a negative 4x plus 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. There we go. That works. Move the 4 over. So that's 4x plus, that should be 9y. 9y is equal to 36. Okay, so that matches here. And that's really the only one that matches. So we have the right one there. Let's double check, because we want, that means that F should be our answer. That means our other equation should be 3y minus 2. Let's check. So we have a slope of, or y-intercept of negative 2. And let's see, we have a slope of, should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slope is negative 6 over 1, 2, 2. That reduces to negative 3. So this is going to be y is equal to negative 3x minus 2. That becomes 3x plus y is equal to negative 2. Oh, I made a slight mistake. That should be positive. It is not a negative. I made a mistake that all my students make. This should be positive 6 over 2, which gives me 3. So this makes this positive 3. So then when that moves over, so then now I need to switch my sign. So this becomes 3x minus y is equal to positive 2, which is our answer. All right, there you go. I'm going to do the next question in the next video because